This is PD meter. This is the indicator. This is the digital control valve for the batching application, and this is the arrow mark which shows the flow direction. Make sure the PD meter is installed before the digital control valve, and the direction. Make sure the arrow mark of PD meter and DCV is facing towards the same direction. The digital control valve consists of three valves. One is ball valve and another two is needle valves. Make sure all these valves are in fully open condition. This is Baliga enclosure. Now you can see the 230 to 24 volt DC converter, and these are the terminals starting from 1 to 13, and this is a 9106 intrinsic safe barrier which will be having 24 volt DC output. This is 9202 which is a relay barrier. In 1, 2, 3 you will be connecting your phase, neutral and earth. 4 and 5 is the intrinsic safety 24 volt DC output. 6, 7, 8, 9 is the output coming from the indicator. 10, 11, 12, 13 is the output going to the coils, NO and NC coils. So this is the Baliga enclosure. This is a 4-way junction box. This is terminal box for pulse output. Here you can see the connections. 1, 2, 3 phase, neutral and earth I have connected. Four and 5 is the 24 volt DC intrinsic safe output which is connected to the 4-way junction box of terminal 1 and 2. From 1 and 2 it is looped with 5 and 6. Now the sensor output of all the cables has been green, brown, yellow and white is connected to the four-way junction box. For green and brown it is connected to 24 volt DC. Green is 24 volt positive and brown is 24 volt negative, and it is connected to the pulse output to the indicator. In indicator you can see 0 and 1. 0 is 24 volt DC negative and 1 is 24 volt DC positive, and 3, 4, 5, 6 is pulse output, and 9 and 10 is the NPN output. From 3, 4, 5, 6 I am taking the output and connected to the terminals where it is interconnected already to the relay barrier. The relay barrier output will be connected to the terminals already, so you can take the output from the 10 and 11, 12, 13. 10, 11 is to NO coil, that is 3/2 way, and 1213 is to NC coil. To set the preset quantity, press the enter button once, and now you can set the amount of liters you want to pass through the meter. Now I am setting 200 liters. That has been set here as 200. Now to program the indicator, press the program button for continuously 7 seconds. And the password is 0131, which is the model of the indicator. Now go to the 9th parameter by pressing the stop button. Which is the relay. In relay, you can set, you having 2 coils, so set 2 step, and the pre-close should be for the low LPM, which I am setting 30 liter. That is, last 30 liter of 200 liters will be in low flow. I am starting the batch. This passing with the LPM of 400. The set quantity is 200 and the pre-close is 30. Now at 170 the flow rate will start to reduce. Now you can see the flow rate is reduced. And the batch is stopped automatically. Thank you.